Hey guys, we're going to read Drat, That Fat Cat by Julia Patton. Oh my goodness, I hear rhyming words. Remember, words that sound the same at the end. Drat, that, fat, cat. And another word that would rhyme with those is something like rat, sat, mat. Good. All right. Cornelius Van Kloof lived alone. He collected very rare species of cacti. He disliked noise and mess. One Sunday morning, there was a ding-dong meow at the front door. What type of animal says meow? Right, a cat. He found a large box, so he carefully opened it to see what was inside. A furry little paw greeted Cornelius. Without warning, out jumped a big fat cat who trotted right past him and into the house. Fat cat. Those two words rhyme. What? At first, things weren't so bad. Cornelius kind of liked the company. But as the days went on, things got worse. Oh my goodness. Scratching up the door. Oh no, he's wiping boogies all over that pole. That's really gross. He's tearing up paper. Oh, and he's scratching the couch. Oh, Miss Hendry would be so upset. On Monday, the fat cat was too messy. Lick, lick, yeah. Oh, a hairball, like our letter C that says K. On Tuesday, the fat cat was too lazy. Meow, how, la, la, la. On Wednesday, the fat cat was too noisy. Oh. On Thursday, the fat cat was too smelly. Drat that fat cat. Ooh, he needed a bath. And on Friday, he was far too much of everything. He was wiping boogies, he was stinky, and he was scratching everything up. By Saturday, Cornelius had finally had enough. Uh-oh. Out! Then it was time to clean up. Cornelius felt better. No mess, no noise, no stinky smells. He's relaxing. But without the mess and the noise and even the stinky smells, Cornelius felt like there was something missing. I wonder what it is. Drat that fat cat. So Cornelius searched for that fat cat. He looked high and he looked low, but wait, look, he's right there. I don't think Cornelius sees him. He even dreamed of the fat cat that night. Poor Cornelius. And in the morning, Cornelius found his fat cat at last. They were both rather surprised at how happy they were to be back together. The fat cat promised to be tidier, and Cornelius promised to be more patient. Things were finally back to normal. Then one Sunday morning, there was a loud ding-dong at the front door. Oh, goodness. Oh, no, drat that scruffy puppy. Woof, woof. So now there's a dog at his door. That's silly. Bye, friends.